Hey guys, Stephanie from Mrs. D's Corner coming at you again with another freebie and how to use it. One of the most frequent questions that I get about being a teacher with anxiety is how do you manage your anxiety in the classroom, and how do you determine what you need to do, when you need to do, and how do you not get so overwhelmed by all of the things that you need to do? My response always is make a to-do list. I'm not just talking about one big list of everything that you need to get done in your classroom. I'm talking about a priorities list. And you can find this free download in the resource library on my website at www.mrsdscorner.com and then click resource library at the top. There are two different versions here. I prefer this one because I like to see how many items are in each pile, each list. But you can also use this one. And basically what it is you're going to make a must-do list, a maybe-do list, and a do later list. So first you need to make your big list. I would just do that on any random sheet of paper. So just write everything that you need to do on the back of this piece of paper and write your little heart out. Write every single thing that you need to do. If you need to break down a task into smaller tasks, definitely do that. Then you're going to take your big overwhelming to-do list and you're going to break it up into these three columns. Must do are things that you absolutely need to get done, whether that's lesson planning, or you have to write an IEP, or you have to do XYZ and ABCDEFG. All of those things are going to go in your must do list. These are things that absolutely need to get done for you to do your job. Maybe do are the things that maybe you do need to do. So maybe you do need to do like Medicaid, but you can do that at the end of the week. Maybe you don't need to do it right this very second, unless it's the end of the month and like you need to get it done, then maybe that'll go on your must-do list. But something like that, or maybe you need to get something laminated for next week's lesson. That's a maybe do. That doesn't need done immediately. Laminating things is not a must-do in my opinion. Not everything needs laminated, and it's okay if some things don't get laminated for the lesson. So maybe do are the things that you want to get done, but they don't need done immediately, right now, right this very second, and they can get done later and everything will be fine. The do later list is for things that, that you don't need to get done ever. Or maybe these are things that you want to do, but aren't necessarily things that need to get done. My do later list is 100% bulletin boards. We're not required to have bulletin boards up, or change them out every month. So that is my do later list. That is always at the back of my mind. I never think about bulletin boards. I don't worry about them because it's not something that needs absolutely done to make the kids have a great day, to get them learning, get them engaged, keep them safe, make them feel loved. It's not one of those things that needs absolutely done. And all of those things go in this do later list. When it comes time to fulfilling and doing all of the things on your to-do list, then you start with your must-do list and you do them one at a time. Don't start a bunch of different things. Don't start one from this pile or this this column. You want to put them in order. So must do, and then you'll do maybe do. So once you finish must do, you're going to move on to the maybe do list. Once you finish the maybe do list, you can move on to the do later list. This is how I keep everything in life, not even just teacher things, organized, and how I keep my anxiety in check when it comes to my overwhelming list of things to do. So again, you can grab this free resource on my blog, my website, www.mrsdscorner.com. The link is above. And just remember, if you're a teacher with anxiety or a mental illness, you are not alone. I am always here for you. Please reach out if at any time you need help or you just need to talk or you need advice. Please, please, please reach out. I am here for you. You are not alone. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.